Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into LinkedIn, one of the most powerful professional networking platforms out there. And I'm going to show you exactly how to use LinkedIn on your iPhone. Whether you are looking to connect with people, search for jobs, or even grow your personal brand, LinkedIn is the place to be. So let's get started. Alright, the first thing you need to do is open the LinkedIn app on your iPhone. Once you are signed in, you will land on your home feed. This is where you will see posts from your connections, job updates, and industry news. To like or comment on a post, just tap thumbs up or the speech bubble. You can also share posts by tapping the share icon right here. Next, let's talk about connecting with people. To find new connections, tap on the shirts icon at the top of your screen. Type in a person's name, company, or job title to find them. Once you find someone you want to connect with, tap on their profile and hit the connect button. Now let's talk about messaging. To start a new message, tap on the messaging icon at the top right of the screen. Here you can read your messages, reply, and even send new messages by tapping the pencil icon in the bottom right corner. LinkedIn is also a fantastic tool for job hunting. To search for jobs, tap on the jobs icon at the bottom of the screen. Here you can filter jobs by title, location, experience level, and more. If you want to post an update, tap on the post button at the top of your home feed. You can share articles, thoughts, or even your own achievements. You can even add photos, videos, or links to your post to make it more engaging. Once you are happy with it, hit post to share it with your network. Finally, let's check out the settings. To access them, tap on your profile picture, then scroll down and tap on settings. Here you can adjust your notification preferences, privacy settings, and manage your account. And that's it. You know how the basics of using LinkedIn on your iPhone. From connecting with people to searching for jobs and even posting updates. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.